Hi guys, another Postbag item. I want to fast track this, so I'm going to open it and then wash my hands, get rid of the packaging. So there we are. This is another USB microscope, and I'm hoping that inside the package should be safe. So I'll dispose of the external packaging. I'll just tip this out of sight because we have to assume that the placemat that I put it on could now be contaminated, so I'll tip it somewhere else, clean my hands, or get rid of the packaging, clean my hands, clean the scissors, clean the placemat, and then we'll come back and I might even turn the camera off afterwards. Right, I've disposed of the packaging, washed my hands again. So we'll find out whether this one works. This one is supposed to work on Wi-Fi. Supposed to. Quick guide, let's go for the quick guide. Okay. Need my mobile phone. Right, got my phone. I have no idea if we've got any charge in this already. Probably not. Download Max C app. Okay. I don't want to do that. I want to be able to collect this to my PC as well, but alright, we'll see what we can find. Because that also means I don't want to do it on this phone, because I've got very little memory left on it, but we'll try it just for the purpose of getting it working. I'm also now down to 29% on my battery. This isn't going to look good, is it? Max C microscope. Max C. Do we trust this? Well, we'll go for it. Install. I will do a bit of editing on this, fast forward bits and pieces. Yes, for the PC, you can download IntsCam and use that. Okay, open. Allow. Actually not found. Okay. We have got power in there. Still got the protective cover on it. Please connect to Max C first. Okay. I'll connect your phone via Wi-Fi. Okay. Max C. There we are. Connected. Okay, back to here. Internet is unavailable. Yeah, that's okay. We're not worried about that. Okay, where's it put it? Max C. Yeah, it can see that. It can see the little protective cover. So let's have a look. Can we see LG? Yes, we can see LG. Can we turn the brightness off? LED. There we are. Let's turn it right down. And then it's going out of focus. Let's go the other way. It's a bit stiff. Yeah, that looks pretty good. So if we press that button, then we should be videoing. That looks good. How about looking at the tablecloth? And we can do something with that button. Yeah. The focus is a little bit stiff, but then it is brand new. It's looking okay. So far, I'm happy. Which makes a change, doesn't it? So we'll have to try that on something. So that is our Wi-Fi connectable USB microscope. I think in a lot of my videos I keep saying microphone. Anyway, that works. But it looks like if I want to connect it to the PC, I've got to do it by the USB lead. Not that that matters. If I wanted to go and use this on the oh, my battery's running out. Okay, we better turn off the video. You're going to save it? You're still videoing. Come on, that was supposed to turn off the video. Yes, we've turned it off. Right. Well, it looks like it works. So that'll do. Turn that off. And yeah, that wraps it up for now. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.